Predicting the currency fluctuations has been a real challenge, and people were trying so hard to predict how the currency parities will move. They were using mostly fundamental analysis, technical analysis, some quantitative models, and those fancy models has been used to predict the currency movements for years. Now we live in an era where we have access to enormous amounts of data, which will give us some insights about predicting the currencies and help us improve our predictions. Twitter provides highlighted and refined information based on its nature, because it allows only to tweet 140 characters, which makes it easy to process them and make an inference on them and apply machine learning models to them. In this project, our aim was to predict currency fluctuations using tweets, as well as creating a visualization framework for it. The value of our project doesn't only lie on making profit from our predictions. It will also give us some valuable information about how fragile some global economies are to the local and global news sources.
We used QuantMod library to extract currency data from Yahoo Finance and used adjusted closing price of each currency for the past year. We inspected currency data. Since each currency has different volatility and different behavior, we needed to normalize the currency movements by taking log differences, which represented the relative change to previous day. After that, we equally splitted daily tweets into 3 buckets, up, state, down, based on the next day's currency fluctuation. For each screen name, daily tweets are extracted and combined as documents. Term frequency, inverse document frequency, was applied to documents of each screen name of each currency pair, where corpus is all documents combined. We also applied TF-IDF to daily tweets by grouping them as pairs, triplets, and quads. After applying TF-IDF, top words were chosen from the resulting matrix. Then the next step was to create feature vectors for the model by applying TF-IDF of the document. For each day, we construct a feature vector which contains the count of top words from TF-IDF process in rows and screen names in columns. Then we split the data into training, validation, and test sets. We use Keras with TensorFlow backend and long short-term memory recurrent neural network model to make the prediction. We also tried a multitude of other models.
So how did we do? Well, we weren't able to predict the currency movements any better than guessing. But if we had more time and more data, I'm sure we could predict the currency movements much better than we did this time. So until then, see you in the next episode.